This is the stock muffler on the Himalayan, and I have picked up the Delkevic full exhaust system, which gets me a decat and a new silencer, a new shorty silencer. I think it's going to have a deeper note and a little bit more punch. So I want to give you guys a feel for what this pipe sounds like, what the silencer sounds like on the stock pipe, as well as a comparison to the full exhaust system. So we're going to take 3 different rides. They're not all going to be at the same time, but I'm pre-recording this while this silencer is still on the bike. Okay, an important note here just for reference. So how am I recording the sound for this setup? So I've got my Zoom mounted here, but that's not as important. That's really just so I can get to the record button while I'm riding. I've run an external mic. I've kind of run the mic up under the seat here. So putting this key in, take the seat off. So the cable is run under the seat here, and then I've got the mic here with a dead cat on it tucked in under the seat. So hopefully that's going to knock down wind noise. I give it a twist. Kind of what we end up with. So we're keeping the levels at -6 dB on this.